Jerry, and welcome to Sktv'S News. You're watching Afternoon English News with me, Sktv'S. Now, as usual, giving you the headlines first. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee observes birth anniversary of India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru at Congress Bhavan, Imphal. And World Diabetes Day observed. RIMS Director Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma asserts diabetes may hit 40% of global population by 2050. Now the news in detail. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee and PCC today observed Children's Day at Congress Bhavan in Imphal in connection with the birth anniversary of India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru on November 14. CLP leader Okram Ibobi and PCC President Kaisham Megachandra, office bearers and members of Seva Dal attended the program. Participants paid floral tributes to the portrait of Jawaharlal Nehru, and speaking on the occasion, CLP leader Okram Ibobi described Nehru as the architect of modern India. He emphasized that the former Prime Minister's love for children continues to inspire generations. Ibobi added that children are the foundation of the nation's future and that ensuring their rights, education and well-being should remain a collective responsibility. He also appealed to parents and teachers to provide proper guidance and education to children so that they can grow into responsible citizens.
Pandit Nehru na koigi nation state pipiramba magi contribution mayam dunia koina ningsing jariba adugi mathakta bhakna hingiyei matamda angang singsi yamna luna khanjaba moi makuta akoi future si lakadoribani masa mau phaba aduga moigi right phanganba haiba tare madugi pandamdudani mahana angang singsi akoigi tungi yumbireni haidana oirkadoribani haidana mahana yamna luna tawjaba adu mapung oibadi akoi party gi haiba tare mana mangjeramba mangdong akoina thabak oina onthoknaba hotnabada akoi congress party congress karmi akoi khudingmaki Dieter Lay Haiba Pandit Nehru ki Sama Kuntaruk Subang Poknum ki Paranga Mari Lena Wafang Krasitamja.
Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS observed World Diabetes Day 2025 at RIMS Hospital General OPD block today. Speaking to media persons, RIMS Director Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma said that progression of diabetes in patients can affect adversely to other organs such as heart, brain and kidney, emphasizing that early detection is crucial. As part of the program, free tests of KFT, LFT, lipid profile and hemoglobin A1C were held. RIMS Director further stated that globally, 11% of the total population are affected by diabetes, which is projected to rise to 40% in 2050. He said that there are two types of diabetes, namely type 1 and type 2 diabetes, of which the latter is closely linked to our food habits and lifestyle choices. He reiterated that prevention and early detection is the best form of cure with regards to diabetes. It may be noted that the campaign focus for World Diabetes Day 2025 is diabetes and workplace. As per International Diabetes Federation, 7 in 10 people living with diabetes are working age, while millions of people with diabetes face daily challenges managing their condition in the workplace.
Asi akhoi RIMS ki new OPD block da World Diabetes Day observe tawribasi akhona Manipur ki prajada health awareness amaina akhoi wasi ki population da diabetes ki hingalaiba chang dai kamaina prevent tawni aduga akhoi lifestyle kamaina change tawni haibu gi target ta akhona thamjabani diabetes si yam chawwa health burden amo ore world da diabetes makhan si ani ne akhoi ki diabetes type 1 type 2 laire type 2 sina 90% lifestyle related weight hengalakpa adagi sedentary lifestyle movement tawdaba fast food hengalakpa healthy food chadaba du makhan mayam lai aduga another issue amana life expectancy hengalakpa haitare hana 65 70 hingambale hoji 80 90 chahi si loi yonare aduna factor se yam yame aduna akoina mayam da pigeon ningiba appeal si early detection adagi lifestyle change tawraga diabetes si control tawba yai so that diabetes si yam long term da heart da solai brain da solai kidney da solai neuropathy mayam malai ado akoina phajana control tawraga di adagi complication sing se avoid tawba yai haibasi mayam da thamjading
NCD-Cell District Health Society Thobal also organized World Diabetes Day 2025 observance at Primary Health Center Kongjom. Primary Health Center Kongjom Dr. Y. Noko Singh, District Nodal Officer NCD-Cell Thobal Dr. M. Bikramjit Singh, Social Worker Natum MO in charge Kongjom PHC Dr. T.H. Samananda and District Program Manager C.H. Basanta graced the program, which was held on a theme Diabetes and Well-Being and Diabetes and Workplace. Speaking in the program, Dr. M. Bikramjit stressed on the need to manage work-life balance in order to control pressure, stress and mental health. He also emphasized on the importance of regular exercise and on need to consume healthy food. Speaking further, Dr. M. Bikramjit also urged people to get screening for NCD at Ayushman Arogya Mandir Sub-Center, Primary Health Center, Community Health Center and District Hospital. Senior Citizens Society Kundrakpam AC observed World Diabetes Day at Ram School in Pangai Bazaar today. According to a press release issued by Senior Citizens Society Secretary, free medical camp was organized where blood pressure, blood sugar and blood cholesterol for over 100 participants were checked. Moreover, required medicines for related ailments were prescribed during the camp, which was sponsored by Glenmark's CV. As the main function, Senior Citizens Society Kundrakpam AC General Secretary Dr. K.S.H. Kala administered 6-point pledge on diabetes, which included regular blood sugar checks, minimum 30 minutes of daily exercise, preventive measures in women, among others. Department of Community Medicine, Churachandpur Medical College also observed World Diabetes Day by organizing a free screening for diabetes and hypertension at Mela Lampak Upper Primary School in Ningom Thongjao today. Speaking in the program, HOD in charge of Department of Community Medicine, Assistant Professor Gudi Laishram, stressed on the importance of early detection and early checkup to ensure proper treatment of any disease. About 80 individuals availed services during the free screening camp, which was organized under Family Adoption Program.
Screening camp siki kudong chabsi pizaraga mayam se akun hakchang phana leminasi amadi nuaitaba leiba taragasu tanaraga karam haina khuna makhoibu management amadi treatment phasi pibang gamgani habitugi panang sabani aduga amarom da khiki haina bamalai prevention is better than cure habase adu masigi ideas da khuna pizaraga masigi campus Churachandpur Medical College Infraction campus ki Department of Community Medicine na sinjabani.
Lions Clubs International District 322D Lions Club of Thobal also organized observance of World Diabetes Day at Thobal Bazaar Makha Lamlong Mari Pangba Multipurpose Community Hall today. A free diabetes detection and awareness program was also conducted as part of the observance, which was jointly organized with Social Development Association Thobal. Speaking in the program, past president of Lions Club of Thobal, Okram Ibomcha, informed about the significance of World Diabetes Day observance. About 100 individuals availed benefits during the free diabetes detection and awareness program. Manipur Public School celebrated Children's Day with a vibrant exhibition in which students from classes 1 to 12 showcased their talents through an impressive display of flowers, paintings and food items. The exhibition was inaugurated by Principal R.K. Imocha along with Senior Most Teacher PGT Biology Ahantem Sunanda in the presence of teaching and non-teaching staff. Students and teachers alike created an engaging platform to encourage creativity and celebrate the spirit of Children's Day during the event.
Children's Day in schools like exhibition school exhibition. This is my hobby. Hobby the base of exhibition is when I'm Yang my papa exhibition any local Maramdi Maseta announcing Utoiba, Port 60, exhibit 60, original Masa Masai Asin Pamsabo. Masita is the ina, pinning him, hygienic Wapami. Announcing a sea, being a Digiona, Magi Pamsabo. Announcing the Pidora Piba, my talent, my Pamsaba, my Hinavi, Hobby. Masya keep to the Hamilton. Awang Mataki training load, the big problem. So, Kimatic Sound, Madame Duda, Joy, Karigo, Hobby, with the Inagi Madudi South Adum Bangang, degree to Domaga, Hobby, my professional life, I said.
Iramdam Ningo Sanglan Open Shelter for Girls and Rido Nawa Sanglan Children's Home for Boys Wangbal Part 1 run by Rural Voluntary Services RVS Taubal Wangbal Mayalekai jointly organized Children's Stay at RVS campus today. Chairperson of Manipur Commission for Protection of Child's Rights K. Pradeep Kumar, Secretary of RVS Wangbal Babita Sapam, Chairperson of Child Welfare Committee Taubal L. Roman Meite, and District Child Protection Officer DCPO of District Child Protection Unit Taubal Rabindra Salam, among others, attended the event. Children from both homes presented a variety of cultural performances and activities, while gifts were distributed to all the participants. Speaking at the occasion, RVS Secretary Babita Sapam reminded the gathering that Children's Day is celebrated across India to honor the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the country's first Prime Minister, who was known for his deep affection for children. She continued that the celebration aims to encourage and motivate children to pursue education sincerely and to work hard towards achieving their dreams. In line with the nationwide celebration of Children's Day, which is observed to promote child rights and education in memory of India's first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Ruda Academy Taubal also organized its 6th Children's Day observation at the Academy premises today. The event was attended by Principal of DM College of Teacher Education, Konika Kuraijam, Principal of Ruda Academy Taubal, Elangbam Romeo, and Teacher in charge of the Academy, Saubam Mona Lisa, as Presidium members. As part of the function, dignitaries and students paid floral tribute to the photograph of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Later, students of the Academy presented a variety of cultural programs to mark the day's celebration. Assam Rifles celebrated Children's Day today across Tamenglong and None districts by organizing vibrant programs at Kendriya Vidyalay, Nungnang Heritage School and Liangmay School, where around 620 students took part in a range of culture and sporting activities. The celebrations, which included tug-of-war competitions, folk dances, badminton matches, and engaging storytelling sessions, focused on cultural heritage and moral values, along with lively singing performances by students. Assam Rifles personnel interacted warmly with the children throughout the event, encouraging creativity, teamwork, and cultural understanding. Sweets were distributed to all participants, adding joy to the occasion, and the celebration served to further strengthen the bond between Assam Rifles and the local community through meaningful outreach and engagement. National Institute of Technology NIT Manipur has suspended Assistant Registrar Establishment Laikang Bam Dorendro over allegations of financial irregularities and misconduct, with the order taking immediate effect on Thursday. Press release issued by Media Cell NIT Manipur PRO coordinator stated that the charges, which include misuse of official position, violation of financial property norms, and conduct unbecoming of an employee, were reviewed by the Board of Governors during its 36th and 45th meetings earlier this year, after which the suspension was recommended pending disciplinary proceedings. The Institute said the step was taken to ensure fair inquiry, noting that the office's presence in office might influence the investigation. As per the suspension terms, Dorendro is restricted from leaving the station without written permission and will receive subsistence allowance under government rules while remaining under the administrative control of the director, NIT Manipur. The institute clarified that the suspension is a procedural action and not a declaration of guilt, and that further steps will follow Central Civil Services Classification, Control and Appeal Rules 1965, with officials of the Ministry of Education and NIT Manipur administration notified of the order. Well, we have more news coming up, but before that, let's take a short break. We'll be right back.
Great opportunity for local operators. SKTV is expanding. Come and be a part of SKTV revolution with high-speed internet, IPTV along with OTT and other benefits. We are building stronger connections through franchising. Become a local cable operator and provide reliable information and entertainment to your neighbors. Unlock your growth with our technology and top-tier service. So if you're looking for exclusive partnership opportunities, then please call us at 700-5259-437 or 897-420-9157.
Welcome back. You're watching SKTV Afternoon English News. Now moving on, District Administration Judibam in collaboration with My Bharat organized Unity March Sardar at the Red 150 Pariyatra today to commemorate the 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, with DC Krishna Kumar flagging off the 8-kilometer march from Ichil Club Dibong to DC Office Complex at 8 a.m. Over 500 participants, including senior officials, NSS, NCC, My Bharat volunteers, Indian Red Cross Society members, police personnel, students, SHGs and local bodies joined the march, carrying the tricolour and promoting unity and national pride. Addressing the gathering, the DC paid tribute to Sardar Patel's courage, determination and vision, urging youth to draw inspiration from his legacy and contribute to nation building. Offering of floral tributes, Bharat Atmanirbhar pledge, cultural performances by NSS Jury College, and distribution of sport materials to 20 youth clubs, My Bharat logo t-shirts and caps along with prizes for essay competition winners were part of the event. A 2-day-long national seminar on role of our educational institutes in Viksit Bharat 2047 strategies, opportunities and challenges kicked off at Seminar Hall of Vaikomani Girls College in Taubal, Okram today. Vice Chancellor of DM University, Professor Devyuchan Babu, Principal of Vaikomani Girls College, Professor H. Manoranjan Sharma, and Director of College Development Council, Manipur University, Professor H. Sukhadeva Sharma graced the opening day function. Speaking in the program, Professor H. Manoranjan Sharma highlighted the importance of Viksit Bharat 2047, which aims to make India a developed and self-reliant nation by 2047. He also urged youths to play active part in making India achieve its goals under Viksit Bharat 2047. Professor N. Mohilal and Assistant Professor Dr. L. Sunil, along with Professor of Department of Zoology, Guwahati University, J.C. Kalita, attended the technical session as speakers. 39 delegates also presented paper in the program, which was organized under the aegis of College Development Council, Manipur University.
Government of India की vision जी Viksit Bharat 2047 जी develop होगा, inclusive होगा, sustainable होगा, और nation में department जी हमारा होगा. मशीनी के अनुसार world research या innovation में knowledge है, human development में यहाँ पर भी ये तालुका तालुका. लोगा higher education जी ना central role में होगा.
Governor's Award for the calendar years 2023, 24, and 25 were awarded to 3 R.K. Sanatombi Devi Vidyalaya students, along with R.K. Sanatombi Award 2024 to a teacher, nurse, and a journalist in a ceremony held in Asha Jina Complex at North AOC, Imphal. During the award ceremony, DM University former Vice Chancellor Professor Nomaitem Rajmohan, Manipur State Fisheries Department Director D. Pulan Meitei attended as key presidium members. Henby Pukrambam Janu, Sagosem Ankita Devi, and Nandini Lauriam were awarded Governor Awards for the years 2023, 2024, and 2025 respectively, and were handed with certificates, memento, and cash prizes. Moreover, R.K. Sanatombi Devi Award 2024 teacher was awarded to Johnstone Higher Secondary School Vice Principal R.K. Ramoni, Nurse Award to Health Supervisor PHNS Brahmachari Mayum Amusana, and Journalist Award to former Sangay Express staff reporter and presently working as Dex editor at SKTV Nando Waikom. Indifferently abled persons to wheelchair basketball player Chakpram Lokeshori. For sports persons, it was awarded to boxer Manding Bom Jadumani, and best student was awarded to R.K. Sanatombi Devi Vidyalaya Lamnganbi Soram, a student of class 5. Speaking on the occasion, DMU former VC Professor Nomaitem Rajmohan congratulated the awardees, saying recognizing their contributions will encourage more to strive for better in the future.
Manipur की मफम खुदिमक्ता हुई स्कूल सिंगदा कॉलेज सिंगदा यूनिवर्सिटी दा इवन प्राइवेट इंस्टीट्यूशंस नसु पीबगी सिम थौरम से याम चथरे मसी याम अफबा मने मरमदे अंगांग सिंगदा नौरिबा अंगांग सिंगदा खन इंस्पिरेशन पीबसिना मखोगी तुंगी पुइसे याम कानब फंगदोरिने बको अदुगा इरोइना नौगी गवर्नर्स अवार्ड दा खरि पीरिसि मरनसु गवर्नर सिदा पीरिसि सु छात्र सिंगने मेनली फोकस तौरगा को मोइदा तुंगदा हेन हेना अफबा युम्बिरेन ओरकनबगी अखोगी एनकरेजमेंट तव इंस्पिरेशन पीबा हाइबा तारे अदना अवार्ड छि फंगबसिदा सुनगी अखोगी मागी पैसा नुंसागी अरगे मागी मिमेंटो खतिगी नतेबा मसिना तुंगदा मोय हेना वांखनबगी आसा चाखोरनबगी मोगी इनोवेटिव एंड क्रिएटिव माइंड सिंगदु हेन सिना को यारनबगी दम पीबा कनो को अदना इंटरनेशनल के लेवल अवार्ड क्या नेशनल के लेवल अवार्ड क्या समाय तो अखोगी लोकल की वंद समाय मांगतोरते भाइबसी याम इंपोर्टेंट नि
Manipur police have intensified intelligence-based combing, cordon and search operations across the state to crack down on extortion and criminal activities, leading to arrest of an active cadre of RPF-PLA on November 13. The arrested cadre, identified as 22-year-old Mayang Lambam Ronit Singh of Kokching Pausupat Lekai, was apprehended by police personnel at Angangching crossing near MSPDCL Powerhouse and Kokching Police Station in Kokching District. Editors Guild Manipur EGM today provided monetary assistance to editor of Poknafam newspaper A. Rabindra Sharma, who is undergoing treatment at RIMS Hospital. The monetary assistance was handed over by a team of EGM led by General Secretary Y. Rupachandra, editor of Kanglapao P. Labango, and editor of Manipur News T. Gautam. EGM also informed A. Rabindra Sharma is recovering and currently out of danger. Ketrimayum Yaima Memorial Trust KYMT organized a symposium titled Ketrimayum Subadani's Life and Her Contribution in Manipur Literature at the Trust Conference Hall in Kwakatel, Marangpur, Laikai today. The program was organized as part of the 4-month-long observance of Ketrimayum Subadani's 50-year writing career. The program was attended by Kokching Kuno College's Manipuri Department Assistant Professor Dr. Kangabam Memton Devi, DM College of Arts, Namanjari University Assistant Professor Dr. Heikrujam Roybala Devi, and Nambol L. Sanoy College's Manipuri Department Assistant Professor Dr. Salam Santibala, while delivering lectures during the event. Speaking on the occasion, KYMT chairperson Ketrimayum Subadani recounted her personal journey with writing, saying she started writing at a young age and was also fond of literature. She also stressed that writers have a big role in shaping thoughts and movements in society. Now, Democratic People's Front DPF Manipur has announced that short film contest, which will be held on December 8, is designed to encourage young people to express their understanding of democratic values, social responsibility, and civic preparation through short films. It also seeks to inspire talented filmmakers and artists to use cinema as a tool for meaningful storytelling. DPF appeals to interested individuals to participate in the contest, which will be held in 2 categories with a cash prize of 1 lakh rupees for each category. In addition, awards will be given for Best Director, Best Cinematographer, Best Editor, Best Actor Male and Female, and Best Background Score, each carrying a cash award of 10,000 rupees along with several consolation prizes. The press release issued by General Secretary Media Samoschinda, another name Sapam Sovas Chandra, appeals to interested individuals to visit Democratic People's Front DPF office located at Wangkai Ningtem Pukri, Mapal for more details. Federal Students' Organization Kanglepal FISOC has condemned the incident of monetary demand by some groups to school van drivers. In a press note that was issued by Secretary Publicity T. Sadananda, FISOC asserted that school van drivers under All Manipur School Students Transporter Association are playing an important role in the support of education in the state. They ensure students, including young children, to attend schools on daily basis while also ensuring the safety of the children. While acknowledging the contributions of school van drivers, FISOC appealed to groups to stop the unreasonable monetary demand to school van drivers and to let them do their duties without fear. Now the national news. Counting of votes for Bihar Assembly election is underway, with the ruling National Democratic Alliance (NDA) ahead in most of the constituencies. The alliance led by the BJP and JDU looks set to form the government again as it crossed the majority mark in early trends. The Mahagathbandhan, which includes the Congress and the RJD, is a distant second, while the Jan Suraj party is yet to open its account. As per the latest trend, NDA is leading in 204 of the 243 seats in the state. On the other hand, Rashtriya Janata Dal RJD leader Tejashwi Yadav is leading in Rokpur. The counting of votes began at 8 p.m. and most exit polls have predicted a clean sweep for the NDA, of which the JDU is a part. Tejashwi Yadav has dismissed the predictions and claimed the Mahagathbandhan would form the government with a thumping majority. The state registered a historic voter turnout of 67.13% in the two-phase elections to the 243-member assembly that was held on November 6 and 11. As counting trends showed the BJP-led National Democratic Alliance (NDA) heading for a decisive victory, senior party leader and IT cell head Amit Malviya said the mandate in Bihar demonstrated the NDA's credibility and would have direct implications for West Bengal, which is set for assembly elections in 2026. Now in sports news, a two-day 4th annual sports, cultural and literary meet of Kanga Senbi Upper Primary School located at Taubal, Pakangkong, Lerak has kicked off today at Pangangkok, Lerak Community Hall. The inaugural function was attended by ZDO Zone 3 Taubal Y. Achoba, Headmaster of Kanga Senbi UPS Huidrom Subhash Chandra, and DI of schools ZDO Zone 3 Taubal Ningombam taken as presidium members. Speaking at the occasion, ZDO Y. Achoba said that parents should recognize the change in academic atmosphere of the school in comparison to 5 years earlier. He added that the school has been serving as a vital educational institute for the locality and teachers are working hard with dedication comparable to private schools. He appealed to parents to trust the schools and continue spending time with their children. During the meet, students actively participated in various sports, cultural and literary events, showcasing their talents in different fields. Now before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee observes birth anniversary of India's first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, at Congress Bhavan in Imphal. And World Diabetes Day observed. And RIMS Director Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma asserts diabetes may hit 40% of global population by 2050. Well, that's all we have for now. Thank you for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates.